how to insert the pivot table on feeling overwhelmed by mountains of data. Pivot table in Google Sheet are like a personal data as they quickly summarize, organize, and help you analyze large data set in just a few. You have been wondering how to make a sense of all those rows and columns. This is the tool that will save your day. Let's break it down step by step and learn how to build powerful pivot table to make your spreadsheet smarter and easy to. Open your Google Sheet and then over there you have entered the data. Now select the data and then tap on insert. There you can see cells, rows, sheets and pivot table. Tap on it. There you can see from there you can create a pivot table. You can tap on create new sheets. Over here a new sheet has been created. Now rows, which row do you want? Column B, column C, column D. I want column B and then column C to be added. Which order do you want to be added? Ascending, descending, or which one? Column C also I would like to add. Over here you can see their codes and then their numbers, and there are many names similar to it. It will also be deducted. Like this, a pivot table helps you clear out the mess and easily see the data.